Hi everyone, welcome to HauteMamas.
From the
Today,
deck.
yeah, today we're coming
From the
live,
deck.
or not live, but we're filming from my deck and my house in Vancouver. So that's where we are. And Lisa got the new. Apparently, there's a new Give Me Some Nude Lip from Sephora. So we're going to be swatching the items in that.
Okay, so it comes in nicely wrapped. Like
Nice.
that. Just little sample sizes, which actually I prefer.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, so do I. I'm not. Yeah.
You know what?
Me
Because
too.
I mean, we never get through.
We never get through at all.
We don't, and even this is like hard to get through. So
Yeah.
on the back, does it say? No, it's probably on the front. Okay, so first of all, Urban Decay, Vice, in, I can't read it.
Fever. Sorry.
Fever. Okay.
Fever.
It's a light, kind of looks like a Liptopper
Nice.
sort of situation.
That's pretty.
Like
It
a
reflects
peachy,
kind of a
peachy,
peach gold.
Yeah, peachy. No, it's got some lilac in it, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Peachy sort of lilac.
Nice. Oh, yeah, I see. Yeah.
Bluey and lilac-y.
Yep. It's really pretty.
Yeah. And then we have NARS. Something.
I need these. I just can't get my... Oh, the reason I'm not wearing any makeup is because I just got my eyebrows microbladed, and I have Vaseline in my eyebrows.
Quite a bit, actually.
This is called Orgasm. NARS Orgasm Lipstick.
Lipstick. Oh, interesting. Okay. So it's very, very sheer, as Orgasm is. It's pretty.
It's nice.
Kind of, I guess for those days that you don't want to put on any sort of heavy-duty lip color. Tartist lip paint.
What color?
Don't know. It did. No. By the way, it says this one is full size.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It says on the lid.
I don't know what the color is. If I can find it, I'll write
Say
it
what
right
it
here.
is?
Yeah.
Anyway, I have a couple sort of like this, but
Yeah. I
looks
like the Tartist lip paint.
I do too.
Yeah.
And then we have a Smashbox one. It also doesn't have. Oh, it might.
Nope. B57.
I'll have to look that up. It'll say on the. It'll say in the Sephora
Yeah.
descriptions. This one's more of a pinky.
Oh, yeah.
Pinky.
Wow, this is a good
Yeah,
kit.
I know, and it was on sale, like cheap, super cheap. Buxom lip gloss, which you can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong. Which one is that?
Um,
Love Buxom lip gloss.
So do I, so much.
My favorite Buxom lip gloss is White Russian. This one is Sugar.
Oh, like
That's
copying
really
Marc
nice.
Jacobs. And then the last one is the Hourglass Stilo, which everybody's been raving about.
Oh, look at that. It looks like a balm almost, too. This is in the color this is either the color Futurist or the color Girl.
Look at how pretty all those are.
Those are so pretty.
I know.
Wow.
I heart.
Yeah.
Little samplies. Samples.
Very nice. Well, thanks for showing us, Lisa, and thanks for joining us on HauteMamas. We're available on social media. Just have a look at the icons below. And if you'd like to subscribe, just push the button above Lisa's head. Ring the bell if you'd like to get an email when we have a new episode out. Thanks very much for joining us. Bye.